Hello YouTube friends, this is Stacy T bringing you a fantastic deal from CVS. CVS has the Werther's Original Popcorn on sale 2 for $3 or $1.50 each. There is a $1 off coupon insert from the newspaper for $1. Or you can go to the Werther's Original website, sign up for their emails, and you can print from their site a $1 off coupon for the caramel popcorn. The Garnier Fructis is on sale for $2.99. It does print a $1 extra care buck. There are $1 coupons available from a newspaper insert. There are also a few printable options. The Axe deodorant, I did not have a coupon, or excuse me, I did not have an extra care buck deal on that. However, I did have coupons that were about to expire for $2 off each of the Axe, and I've been waiting for a deal on it. I couldn't find it. However, when I combined it with a $3 off 2 Axe product coupon from CVS, as well as a $3 extra buck, I was able to get that to a price that was a purchase point for me. So for everything that you see here, I paid $1.02 out of pocket. That is with using that $3 extra buck. My total would have been $20.45. I had a 100% savings. Even though I paid the $1.02, I did receive the $1 extra buck back. So apparently they calculate that as 100% savings. For this deal and others like it, please visit my website at www.realdealsforrealpeople.com or visit me on Facebook at Real Deals for Real People. Thanks for watching.